Hi everybody, this is Cheap Dad. I've got a neat item here for everybody. It's not really that cleaned up. I just got it in. If you're wondering what this box is, this is a very vintage, old item, really neat item. What it is this is an old-timey, about 1950s Olivetti manual typewriter. It's an Olivetti Studio 44, and I think this is from the 1950s. I don't know exactly what year this model is. I don't keep finding a year on it, but this was back from the 1950s, early to mid 1950s when they made this. Now, if you notice, it's got the carriage thing here. It'll come back here. See right there's the bell. Now it needs to be cleaned up. It hasn't been cleaned, and it does not have ribbon, so I don't really know. Can't really say for sure if it types, but all the letters seem to work. There's a little bit of stickiness, but you got to hit it kind of hard. But everything seems to work on it. Like I said, there's no ribbon. It looks nice and clean down in there. There's no ribbon, but I think ribbon is about $8 on eBay, on the internet, for this thing. You can still get ribbon for it, and they sell them for about between $100 and $130 used in this condition on eBay. So if anybody wants to buy it right quick, fix it up, clean it up, get a ribbon, clean the box up a little bit. It's a nice vintage manual typewriter. You can learn how to type the way they used to type back in the old days, speed typing, or you can sell it, make you some profit. It should go for maybe $100, $120. If anybody's interested, call Cheap Dad, 601-906-1434, 601-906-1434.